Presentation is something we do continuously with clients, with each other, with bosses, with everybody in our surroundings. And there's a technique to structure emails and structure conversations that helps us make sure we have everybody's attention. And I want to try something with you right now. Imagine that you're a multi-artist, right? You can build things in clay, you can sculpt, you can paint, you can sing, you can write, you can do poetry. You're a multifaceted artist. And I'm a new client. And I arrive and I say, actually, what I'd like is this small farmhouse with a field and a river running through the property, and then an old oak tree standing by the river, preferably sort of in the sunlight somehow. That's what I'd like you to make for me. Now, you're the artist, so you're going to write me a song, or you're going to paint me a painting, whatever you decide, okay? Now, this is the what. This is the heart of everything. Now comes the how. It's important to me that it's small enough that it can stand on my desk, and it has to be nice enough looking that when people come in, they'll appreciate it and not think, what is that? That's the how. Did it change? Did you go from a big painting or maybe a poem to now you have to make something in clay or maybe sculpt something for me? Okay, let's try and add the why. It's in memory of my departed sister, who I loved dearly, and she's no longer here. This was her favorite place, and we'd like to sit together by the oak tree in the evenings and watch the river run by as we played and different games and songs. Did your image change again? I'm sure it did. And that's because what, how, and why have to be structured in a way that makes sense to us. If I'd come in and I'd said, listen, I'd like something to remind me of my wonderful sister, and we used to hang out and play by the river at this old house with the oak tree. And what I'd like for you is to make me something that reminds me of it. And it's this house with the sun coming in and the oak tree and the river. And it just needs to be something I can put on my desk. If I put it like that, I'd catch your interest with the why. I'd give you the description with the what, and the how would make sure that you built something that matched my image, yeah? So this is how we use why, what, how to structure presentations, emails, whatever it might be, solutions for clients. In the 3 following videos, we'll go by them one by one shortly so you can use why, what, how to great efficiency.